Understanding cultural gatherings, a journey through traditions and celebrations. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that brings people together from all walks of life: cultural gatherings. Whether you're learning English or simply curious about different cultures, understanding these gatherings can enrich your knowledge and appreciation of the world around us. So, let's explore what makes these events so special and why they play a crucial role in societies across the globe. Cultural gatherings are events where people come together to celebrate, commemorate, or observe traditions that are specific to a culture or community. These gatherings can take many forms, including festivals, ceremonies, rituals, and celebrations. They are often deeply rooted in history and tradition, providing a link between the past and the present. From the vibrant colours of India's Holi festival to the solemn remembrance of Anzac Day in Australia and New Zealand, cultural gatherings are as diverse as the communities that host them. Cultural gatherings serve multiple purposes. They are a means to preserve traditions. These events keep cultural heritage alive, passing knowledge and practices from one generation to the next. Strengthen community bonds. Gatherings bring people together, fostering a sense of belonging and unity within a community. Celebrate cultural identity. They provide an opportunity for people to express pride in their cultural heritage and share it with others. Educate and raise awareness. For those outside the culture, these gatherings offer insights into the customs, values, and ways of life of different communities. Let's explore a few examples of cultural gatherings from around the world. Diwali in India. Known as the Festival of Lights, Diwali is a Hindu celebration that symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Carnival in Brazil. A week-long festival featuring parades, music, and dancing, celebrated before Lent. It's known for its extravagant costumes and lively samba music. Thanksgiving in the United States. A national holiday where families and friends gather to give thanks for what they have, marked by a feast typically including turkey. Chinese New Year. Celebrated at the beginning of the Chinese lunar calendar, it's marked by family gatherings, traditional foods, and various customs aimed at bringing good luck for the coming year. Participating in or learning about cultural gatherings can be incredibly rewarding. It allows individuals to experience new cultures. Immersing yourself in a cultural gathering can provide a deeper understanding of and appreciation for that culture. Build empathy and understanding. Exposure to different ways of life fosters tolerance and respect for diversity. Create lasting memories. Participating in these events can be a joyful and unforgettable experience, whether you're part of the culture or a respectful visitor. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful and diverse world of cultural gatherings. These events are not just celebrations. They're a window into the heart and soul of a culture, offering lessons in history, humanity, and the power of community. Whether you're traveling the world or exploring cultures from home, we encourage you to learn about and, if possible, experience these gatherings firsthand. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this exploration as enriching as we have. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.